Welcome to Prince Shorthand House. Exercise number 74, legal real judgments. 100 words a minute. Ready? Start. This petition under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 seeks the causing of FIR number 153 of 2007 under section 285/302-A/34 IPC, registered at police station R.K. Puram, and all proceedings consequent thereto. It also questions the charge sheet dated 27th August 2007 filed by the respondent in the matter. The facts leading to the filing of this petition are that on 8th March 2007, an information was recorded in police station R.K. Puram, New Delhi at 5:30 p.m. through telephone that in a cultural program organized at the Motilal Nehru College, a boy who was demonstrating a performance fire from mouth on stage had suffered burns consequent upon his cloth getting fire. On receiving this information, Sub-Inspector Mahavir Prasad reached the college and found that some portion of the carpet on the stage and on the rear side of the stage burnt. Shoes and clothes of the person who had got injured were found. On reaching the Safdarjung hospital, the SI found that the injured Prithvi Narayan, son of Tribhuvan, aged 22 years, had been admitted. The doctor on duty had opined that the injured was unfit to make a statement. SI gathered information about the incident from the college students present at the hospital and from other people present on the spot. The accident had happened when the injured was performing a dangerous stunt of filling his mouth with oil and throwing it on a burning fire torch, due to which his clothes caught fire and he received injuries. The allegation was that the organizers of the program had been negligent in not making sufficient arrangements for extinguishing the fire. On the basis, an FIR under section 285/338/34 IPC was registered. On 10th March 2007, the injured Prithvi Narayan succumbed to his injuries and his body was handed over after post-mortem of his relatives. The offence was converted from section 338 to 304A IPC. It appears that while the investigation was in progress, a letter was sent by one Dr. Deshpande to the Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, Patiala House Courts, New Delhi, for taking cognizance of the offences under section 304-A/201 read with 120B IPC. The learned ACMM summoned the SHO police station R.K. Puram along with a preliminary report. The status report was filed on 20 July 2007 before the ACMM. In the said status report, the police informed the learned ACMM as follows. The teachers and students told that on 8th March 2007, one artist, Mr. Jasmeet, was invited. He had to come at 5 p.m., but he became late. The principal also corroborated the above version in writing. To keep the gathering of the students near the stage, the anchors M.S. Kasturi and Mr. Avinash, who were on the stage, announced that as per directions of cultural convener, the students who wants to show their art could come on the stage one after another. The injured also got noted his name and started to do the fire stunt. The principal, in a reply of notice under section 91 Criminal Procedure Code, categorically mentioned that the Students' Advisory Committee and Cultural Committee were to organize and supervise the program of dated 8th March 2007. These committees have been constituted for the specific purpose of organizing cultural program as well as to supervise the function. There are 4 members in the Student Advisory Committee and 5 members in the Cultural Committee. The member, Shri Ranjit Clare, is common in both the committees. During investigation, the IO got recorded the statement of witnesses and Shri Rajneesh and Dr. Rita, the convener, were arrested and released on bail on the same day. Stop.